Do you want to make money online typing? Then stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to tell you how you can make money online transcribing with Rev. So what is transcribing? Transcribing is when you take an audio file and you convert it into a text format by typing it out. Transcribing is a great way and a super easy way to make money online, and it's one of the best ways to make money online. One company that you can transcribe for is Rev. Here I am on rev.com, and you can see that there are several different services as a customer that you can pay for. So transcriptions, captions, and foreign subtitles. They provide tons of different services to transcribe many different mediums. If I go to rev.com/freelancers, just by typing that in the address bar, you can see all the freelancing job opportunities that are available. So to work for Rev as a freelancer, you can either be a transcriptionist or a captioner. So a transcriptionist listens to audio and video and then accurately types what's being said. You also label the speakers that are in that. So, for example, you might listen to like a commercial or something, and two people are speaking, and you label person A and person B based on their names, and then you write out what they said. If you're a captioner, then you watch a video, you accurately type what is being said, creatively convey sounds, and you sync type audio with video. So this is like closed captions, right? Like when you have a YouTube video or other video formats, where there are subtitles that somebody can see on an ad or a different video when they're trying to learn something. That way they can follow along without having audio. And if there are other sounds when people aren't speaking, you can illustrate those in closed captions. So you can work as a transcriptionist or captioner doing very similar things. The rates for both of these jobs are pretty similar. As a captioner, you'll make a little bit more money, and you can make around $1,500 for both of these jobs every month, which is really cool. So let's start with transcriptionist. So as a transcriptionist, if you wanted to sign up, you would go to that link and then you would fill out this form. You'd give your name, your last name, email, and your country, and you'd follow the application process. So you get paid weekly. The average earnings per month is $245 per month, and then a top monthly earning is $14.95. So when you start out, you might not be making so much, but when you get better at it, when you get more opportunities, and when you become more efficient with what you're doing, you're going to be making a lot of money. $1,500 a month, or just about, that's a really good amount of money. That's almost rent for me, and I live in an expensive city, so I'm sure a lot of people could use even a third of that. So you sign up to get approved to transcribe, you choose from the available jobs, and you get paid weekly on PayPal. The application process will take you through a quiz. You'll have to do a transcription from sample audio files. They'll have a file there that's already been pre-written, and then you'll just have to edit it to make sure it's accurate. They're looking for skilled typists who can listen to recorded interviews and focus groups, lectures, podcasts, commercials, and any other type of audio or video format that can be transcribed. You can work your own schedule and decide what you want to work on. And a lot of people like working for Rev. So here's some of the frequently asked questions that Rev has. So some of the top questions include the following. What does being a freelance transcriptionist with Rev entails? So with Rev, you'll have customer audio that needs transcribing. You can claim the work that you want. The audio content, pay, and deadline are all listed up front. Rev provides a web-based transcription editor that you can use to capture the English speech in an audio file. And then the customers receive an interactive version of the transcript that can be downloaded in other formats like PDF, text files, and Microsoft Word. So if you want to be a freelance transcriptionist, you have to have strong English language skills, be able to accurately transcribe audio, and they're going to make you take a grammar quiz to make sure that you're up to par with their standards. You don't need any prior experience or special qualifications. As for equipment, you need a desktop or laptop computer and a reliable internet connection. You can claim freelance transcription jobs and complete them all through Rev's online platform, so it's super easy to get started. There's also a ton of companies that support them. Being a transcriber is an amazing job if you want to make some side money. What about if you want to be a captioner? Let's look at the differences. So if we go back here under freelancers and we click on learn more for captioner, we can see some of the differences. The first page of the application is pretty similar. The average earnings per month is $240, and the top monthly earning is $1,570, so a little bit higher. So it works the same way where you sign up, you take a quiz, and then you choose from the jobs, you get paid weekly. So one of the top questions is, what is captioning? So captioning is the creation of text-based closed captions from video audio. You're going to describe sound effects, music cues, and the dialogue that's going on. So it's a little bit different than transcribing. It's not an exact translation, and there's a little bit more creativity that you have to have and timing. That makes sense why you would make a little bit more money. So you'll have customer videos that you have access to. You can claim the work that you want to work on, and then you can capture all the audible English speech, sound effects, music, lyrics, all that stuff that are in a video. The requirements are pretty similar. You have to have good English skills, a computer, and pass the grammar test. If you want to become a transcriber or a captioner for Rev, then click the link at the top of my description. Although transcribing is a great way to make money online, it's going to take a lot of work. You're going to have to type out a lot of things, and if you're not a fast typer, you don't have the best English skills or hearing, it might be difficult. There are much better passive ways to make money online. For instance, you could do affiliate marketing or consulting or e-commerce. All these different business models have helped people to make 6 to 7 figures online in no time. If you're willing to put in the effort and the time, you'll be waking up to paychecks just like I have. If you want to learn how to make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month with one of those business models, then I have amazing training for you that will help you leave your job and get started making money in no time. Go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I'll put a link above and down below in the description. Go there and get started on an amazing training that will change your life. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.